LCD. Okay, we go to the software, open up the software. Right now we want to update an asset. We go to update, and we have the RFID tag with the barcode on it. So we put the RFID tag on the asset. And from here, we will scan the barcode. The software tells you this asset is new. Do you want to add the new asset? Yes, we want to add. And description. You can add any description you want. In this case, it's a chair. And serial number. If you have any serial number for the asset, just key in the serial number. In this case, we do not have any serial number. So you must choose the building, which building this asset belongs. It's in meeting. And which room is it? It's in meeting room. Asset type. What type of asset is this? It's a furniture. And info too. Manufacturer and department and custodian and status and condition of the barcode. Is it good or not good? Is it visible? Yes. And save it. In this case, we update our database and we add this new asset. Good. In RedBeam software, we have two ways to add an asset in it. We have one way from the software inside the PC, and you can add any asset with any barcode or anything else. Or the other way is from the device, the handheld device. Right now in our database, we have two assets here. Previously, we add another asset, we register another asset inside the handheld. So we go to sync handheld and we download the database from the handheld. So it's finished. We go to check the asset. So we have another asset here. This one. So these are these things is our asset list. We go to inventory to make an inventory list. Make a new inventory. Inventory ID is today date is 17. And what we want to do the inventory, we choose all the company, or we can choose any building that we want, or we can choose any room that we want to do the inventory. But we cannot choose it asset by asset. We just need to choose the building name or the room name. So we simply just choose the whole company, EcoSensa, and we update it. So we have an inventory list. It's a new inventory list. We go to sync the handheld and export the data for the inventory to the handheld. Okay, it's finished. So from the handheld, when we go to the software, in the main menu we have inventory part. We click on it and we will scan the assets. It asks us for the inventory list. Inventory list is the same thing that we build inside the computer. So the same date, 17 of 2012. Scan the assets. So we can scan with room or serial number or barcode or building. You can choose any of them. Right now I want to choose the barcode. So I will scan the barcode. You need to choose the building, all buildings and room, in meeting room, and scan the barcode and find. So this asset is a chair, and every data that we have for this asset you can see it from here. Save. So we have done one inventory. We need to go on with the other inventories. We want to do inventory check. So inside the software in the device, we choose inventory menu. After that, we need to choose the inventory list, and we go to scan the assets. For example, the person in charge come into meeting building and choose the meeting room and try to scan this asset. So it says that this asset was previously in the manager room. Do you want to change it to meeting room? Yes. Okay, and save it. Another function inside the inventory menu is display assets. You can go in it. You can choose the asset ID, or choose which room you want to display the assets, or which building, or all the assets. When you choose it, it shows you all the assets, and you can click on it and see the detail about the assets. Another function inside the inventory menu is unfound assets. So you can choose room, building, or all rooms, all the company. We choose all the company and display, and we will see which asset is unfound and it's haven't scanned yet. This asset number and description is the asset is a table. You can see the description from here, and which room it's supposed to be there, and which building, sales department, and room 2-101. So we did the inventory, and we got this handheld and sync it with the laptop. So we synced all the data. It's complete. After that, we go to reporting and choose inventory. What the inventory number we already have done, and print the report. So inside the report we can find out how many assets we have found in here. Located, true. This one we found. Located, true. Another one we found, but this one we haven't found yet. We have the asset ID here, and we know which building it's supposed to be, and description of the assets and room. For the other assets that we change it says that it changed to a new room. True. That means previously it was in the management room. Right now it's in the meeting room. So this icon shows you that this asset is moved or not. And for this asset, new room is false. That means it haven't changed. It was in the same room, and we haven't found this asset.